Hello children, your chapter 1 is over. Now I'm going to continue with the chapter 2 with the story The Memories of a Visit. The character of the story is the speaker and her cousin Supriya. Now the author is going to share her memories and experience of visiting a country, France, and its capital, Paris. Through the story, we will see the story now. It was a month of April, spring in France, and it's also a best time to visit. The speaker was going to visit her cousin Supriya. She left Mumbai at 4 a.m. and arrived in France by 7 a.m. French. Then the speaker landed at the Charles de Gaulle airport. It's just outside Paris. Supriya was there to meet the speaker. They got into the taxi and headed towards Paris. As they left the airport, the speaker noticed there wasn't as much traffic as in Mumbai. So, the speaker asked Supriya about France. Supriya started tell about France. Supriya said it's about 1/4 the size of India with a tiny population. That means France is not crowded. There is plenty of room for everyone, she said jokingly. Some large cities where there are factories are a bit crowded, but France has almost everything that people need for a comfortable and happy life. The soil is rich and the sea borders much of France. So there are plenty of good vegetables, fruits, grains, meat and fish. The speaker asked, "What else is special?" Supriya replies, "The French Alps, beautiful snow-capped mountains that people love to visit. There are also rivers and plains with luscious grass for grazing animals. Dairy farming is very popular because French love cheese. It is an essential part of their diets. You will also find vineyards on sunny hillsides, loaded with juicy grapes. Most are harvested and pressed into wine, for which France is famous. And you already know about French fashion. France leads, the world follows," she laughed. After that, they drove past the Eiffel Tower. The speaker noticed that it looked more beautiful than it did on postcards. You can see the Eiffel Tower in postcards, right? Okay. The Eiffel Tower represents France like the Taj Mahal represents India, Supriya commented. Actually, Paris is a very beautiful old city because the Paris building is made up of white stones. So, the speaker loved the white stone buildings that gleam in the sun. People here love outdoors, the parks and gardens. Some parks have ponds where children sail their toy boats. You will find rows of trees and flowers everywhere. Some trees are trimmed so that they look like huge green lollipops. Well, it seems like the people of Paris are proud of their city. They keep it so clean. The speaker didn't see any litter on the streets. Supriya replied, "That's why tourists love to visit this city. And Paris, being the capital, is well connected to other parts of the country. So travel is no problem at all." Finally, they reached Supriya's flat. From the window, the speaker saw the Seine, the river that winds through Paris like a wet grey ribbon. The speaker noticed pavement cafes where people sat at little tables outdoors, eating, drinking, and talking. It all looked very pretty. There was much to see in Paris. The speaker even visited Musée du Louvre, the one of the finest museum in the world. After a month in Paris, they visited Normandy and Brittany, the two of the oldest part of the country. Brittany is the peninsula and the Normandy is also the peninsula. This means that the land reaches out into the sea, and in this case the Mediterranean Sea. Maybe that is why this part of France felt cooler. Sometimes storms rose from the ocean and it were quite old-fashioned. They weren't interested in trying new things, unlike the people in other parts of the France, especially Paris. Finally, they went to a small museum close to the seaport which had models of wooden sailing ships that soldiers and colonists had sailed in. They told us how during World War II, big guns had thundered there, bombs had exploded, and bullets had ripped through trees and gardens. Fortunately, the sea coast and the countryside were very peaceful when they visited. France turned out to be all that the speaker dreamed of and more. The speaker turned home cherishing every moment of her 2-month holiday in France. We saw many informations about France, Paris, and part of the country, Normandy and Brittany. Now think and answer. Write 10 ways to develop our country. Okay, now find out if you can. You already know that the Eiffel Tower represents France, the Taj Mahal represents India. Now look at this picture and write the countries they represent. Thank you.